How to fix camera error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix camera error on Android phone. First, then open your camera and now just click this settings icon here in top corner, and then just scroll down until you find here restore defaults, and now click OK, and now click allow and go to the settings, and now just go to permissions and enable location, and that's it. And if doesn't work, then just go to the storage and click clean up, and then you need to find the junk files. Now just wait, and then click on it, and then all you need to do is just you need to clean your cache, then just click delete, and that's it. And that's how to fix camera error on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.